Hello everyone, here's Isaac from NMIAcademy. Today we're going to be looking at something everyone on earth needs to know in 2025, which is how to boot any operating system into a USB drive. It doesn't matter if you have a Windows operating system, any kind of Linux distros operating system, Mac operating system, Android, or whatever you have. To make this video short and really clear, we're going to be diving into the requirement first. The first thing we need to have is a USB drive, I guess, of 16 gigs or maybe 8 gigs min. You're gonna have to download your Power ISO software, which is going to ease us the process of putting the operating system to a USB drive. And finally, we need our operating system file image. So we're going to download our Power ISO software. Just open your browser, I type in Power ISO into your search bar. You choose the first link, and now you open the download tab. Now, if you're for Linux users, you can come on here down and choose the Power ISO for Linux. I'm going to use the 64-bit architecture. To download it start real quick. Okay, so after download done, we're just going to install. It's easy as other software. You can close this browser, and now you agree as usual. We're going to be installing into the C drive. Okay, file association. I recommend you to select all different files and close. Voila. Now the first step is been done. The next step is we first need to locate our operating system file. Mine is here into the D drive. I have two operating systems which are Windows 10. I got a 21H2 and a 22H2. So I'm going to open the Power ISO like this. And we're going to open that as administrator. So you right click and run as administrator. And now you need to plug in your USB drive into your computer. Okay, it's a pay version. I'm going to go with continue the trial version. After plugging your USB drive, you need to know that you first need to have a backup of all your files in a USB drive to somewhere else, because it's going to override or maybe format the USB drive before overriding with the operating system files. You come into the Tools tab, USB Tools, and you're going to choose the Create Bootable USB Drive option. So after this pane open, you can see select the source. So you can select the image file by clicking here and locate the image file. I said mine was in a G file, the G system disk, and I'm going to be choosing this version, open. If you have many USB disks plugged into your computer, you can come in here and refresh and choose which one you want to boot your operating system into that. So the image file is less than 8 gigs, so I'm going to have a USB drive that has 8 gigs of memory. And now you just press the start process. It says all data in the USB drive will be overwritten. Do you want to continue? Okay. And we just leave it do its work. Okay, after the process now done, you're good to remove your USB drive from your computer and now go and install into another computer. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I would love you to stick around with me for the next tutorial, and all the links for the download is going to be in the description down below. Thank you.